Today, I'm taking my car to the shop, to my mechanic, because I have a lot of things to do on my car right now. So, a lot of my package got delivered today for a couple of weeks during the week. I've got my AC happens to be faulty. It's actually not working. Then my spark plug has an issue. Then I also need to change my ignition coil. I got my front lip actually. I got my front lip. I got my interior ambient lighting kit. Uh, my temperature sensor as well. Which is also faulty, so I got to change there as well. But I got everything delivered to me, right? And I'm on my way. You see how my car is filled up, bro. See this ambient kit, my front lip, then every other stuff I've got. So we'll be going to the shop right now to make sure I get everything fixed, and I'm gonna show you the result. Let me show you how my car looks before doing nothing to it. Right now, as you can see, I ain't got the front lip yet. I ain't got no front lip yet. Yeah, I ain't got no scare. I ain't got no side skirt here because I didn't even place order. I'm not getting it for now. Yeah, this is my side visor. Yeah, I mean, I want to change this. I'm gonna change this layer, but I want to make sure I do the body key and the interior, get everything set before I actually go back to my tint, because this tint looks too exposed for my liking. So probably this is 20 something or something like that. I want to do like 15 20, like 15 20. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I got my dash cam as well. That also has the back camera. It has about 4 different cameras. I'm gonna show you all. So yeah, that's just about it, and that's what we're about to go do right now. Come with me to go get everything fixed. Oh my god, man. Yeah, sorry, man. My sister been driving my car, so yeah, we all set. No. Okay. All right. Okay.
I tell people every time, any ex that did not meet our expectation is an experiment.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam. You see, when you are broke and heartbroken, take it as an avenue for breakthrough, not a breakdown. I tell people that it's important as a woman that you have your own economic power. Be independent and not independent of another man. I normally emphasize the economic power of a woman, because any matrimony without money is a maltreatment.
Wow. Excuse me, are you a man of God?
Don't you know this man?
Madam, let me ask you a question. What is it that you do for a living?
I'm a makeup artist.
Makeup artist. I will need you to make up your mind this very instant.
Wisdom.
Yes, ma.
No, not you.
Understand that the business of fame is like a boxing game. That time I was learning boxing, my coach would tell me that, Richard, as you are learning to blow, make sure you guide. That is why, sir, as I am trying to blow, I'm making sure that I guide. Let me tell you something my grandfather used to say when it comes to choosing your friends. He used to say, Wise Limited Foods PLC. You know what I mean by that? They say something is PLC. It's a public company. All right? Wise Limited. The company of the Wise is limited. The company of Foods is public. When I was at your age and stage, there's one thing my father used to say. He said, my son, wake up and make sure your money rise. You wake up in the morning, first thing you want is jollof rice. You see, priorities are different. Yes, sir. If you go to school to get a degree in science, you become a bachelor of science. Life is in plot twist like that. You can no book and be doing bookings for who don't know book. There's a Latin expression that says Atije Atimu Lambaka. Atije Atimu Lambaka.
Mr. Richard, why can't I sing a Latin expression now?
It's Mr. Latin that express himself in that.